Welcome to our video about Romania, a country with a rich history and stunning natural landscapes. Today, we'll uncover 5 surprising facts about Romania that will leave you amazed. Let's dive in. Fact 1. Bran Castle, often associated with the legendary vampire Count Dracula, is a must-visit landmark. However, the surprising fact is that Bram Stoker, the author of the famous novel Dracula, never actually visited Romania. Despite this, the castle's Gothic architecture and mysterious aura have made it a popular tourist destination. Fact 2. Bucharest, the capital city, is known for its wide boulevards and elegant architecture. However, beneath the city lies an extensive network of tunnels known as the Bucharest Underground. These tunnels were originally built as bomb shelters during World War II but have now been repurposed as a massive underground road system to alleviate traffic congestion. Fact 3. Romania is home to the impressive Danube Delta, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. What makes it surprising is that this biosphere reserve is one of the most biodiverse areas in Europe. It's a haven for over 5,500 species of plants and animals, including rare and endangered species like the white pelican and the European mink. Fact 4. Hidden deep underground, in the heart of Transylvania, lies the Turda Salt Mine. What's astonishing is that this mine has been transformed into a spectacular underground amusement park. Visitors can enjoy attractions such as Ferris wheels, mini golf, and even a subterranean lake with rowboats. It's a truly unique experience that combines history with entertainment. Fact 5. Romania is known for its traditional villages, where ancient traditions are still preserved. But what might surprise you is that one such village, Immerse, is home to the tallest wooden church in the world. The Church of the Holy Spirit stands at an impressive 78 meters, 256 feet, high and showcases the exceptional craftsmanship of the region. Romania truly captivates with its blend of history, natural beauty, and unexpected wonders. From the enigmatic Bran Castle to the thriving wildlife of the Danube Delta, this country has surprises waiting to be discovered at every turn. We hope you've enjoyed these surprising facts about Romania. Until next time, happy exploring!